Bro hit a home run.
Getting ready for the season. Ray Lewis, baby. Are you okay? Ow.
If you do this content, don't worry.
Oh, this.
Every one of you guys, out. We have toddlers running around. Out of the store now. Team loser, go.